In this video, we're going to show you how to install the speed sensor on your Subaru Legacy located in the tail section of your transmission. Now to go ahead and locate it, raise and support the vehicle, locate your transmission pan and then follow it right back on the driver's side. You're going to locate the sensor right here. Now there's a 10mm bolt holding it over here, and then obviously we have the harness right here. So we're going to go ahead and pinch this little tab on the back and try and disconnect that harness. Go ahead and pop that off and tuck it to the side. Now what we found works best is a 1/4 inch shallow 10mm socket. Small swivel and a longer extension with my 1/4 inch ratchet to get up in there. And then go ahead and break that free. Pretty much at that point you should be able to reach up there and spin that bolt out. There's not a ton of room, but you can do it. Here we go. We got the bolt out. We're going to go ahead and set that aside. We're going to be reusing that, so don't lose it. Now we can go ahead and reach up there, grab that sensor, give it a little twist and pull. Hopefully that'll pop out. Sometimes a little assistance of prying it with a screwdriver might help you because there is an O-ring on there. I'm going to go ahead and use the screwdriver here and gently get behind the mounting tab and try and wiggle that out. There it is. So I applied a little bit of silicone paste to the O-ring itself. You can use transmission fluid if you want, but silicone paste will help that pop into the transmission a little bit easier. I'm going to feed this up into position, line that up, and push that in. Press it in, make sure that it's flush, and let's go ahead and install our bolt. Once you get the bolt started, I find it best if you just run it all the way down as far as you can by hand. That way there, you're not wasting time with your ratchet. And then we're going to go ahead and snug that down. Snug it down gently. Go ahead and grab that connector. I'm going to line that up and push that on. You're going to feel in here, engage. Now at this point here, we didn't lose enough transmission fluid to really make it that much of a concern. Just a little bit of dribble in there. If you want to, go ahead and use some spray solvent. Give it a couple squirts. Reach up in there, clean up any of that. Now if you have a light on in the dash, a check engine light, due to this speed sensor causing an issue, use a scan tool, properly clear that code. You can go for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.